transit platform catching a train to Bankstown, and we saw each other every few days, and then he worked up the courage to hand me a note saying he'd like to get to know me, and 27 years later we are still going strong.
Oh,
Wow.
God. Did you get married or just been going out for 27 years?
No, got married, 4 kids.
I hope that you had the wedding reception like on the train station or something.